Alright, what's going on, guys? So, I was about to put the wheels on, but looks like my wheel hub mounts are rusty as fuck. I got this car used, so I'm not fucking surprised. So, thought I'd make a vid of how to clean these babies up before I mount the wheels on. So, I've got some wire wheel brushes here. This is a 2-inch one, this is a 4-inch one, and this is a normal wire brush. And this is just gonna hook up to the drill here, and then basically what we're gonna do is just attach those on and sand the rust away. So, don't think it should be too bad, but who knows. And you should probably wear like safety goggles. I'm wearing glasses and a mask so you don't breathe this shit in. So, let's see how it goes. All right. Put this thing on. Oh, it works! Okay guys, and then for the more sensitive areas of the wheel, I'm going to use, and hard to reach areas, I'm going to use this steel brush. Let's see here, like the rim area right here, I don't even know what this is called. Look at all this. This helps break it up, all the hard to reach areas in between the threads. Oh yeah, that definitely helps. Wow. Just gonna be doing this slaving away. But yeah, it's not hard, it's just tedious. So I'll show you guys the results afterwards. Guys, so I did as much as I could, buffed it out with the drill. And for this part, in between the bolts and the center, just use the steel brush. It's pretty good, just about maybe 5 or 10 minutes on each one, and it's already way better. I mean, earlier in the video, if you saw it, like, that shit was fucking everywhere, man. But this thing is smooth now. I don't know, maybe I can do a better job later on, but this is pretty good. So, I just wanted to show you guys how you could do it. And the parts only cost me like 15 bucks, so it's not too bad. So, yeah, clean your hub mounts when you get the chance. Pretty good. It's always good to keep your car clean, right? So, anyway, thanks for watching.